Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Chapter 2, the earliest societies for class 6, part 5. In previous class, we have learnt about stone tools. We know that the stone tools, the early humans are using two techniques of making the stone tools. Okay? See, before that, we have learned that stone tools. Like that, three categories are there in that stone tool. So, first one is core tool, second one blade tool, third one flaking tool. And afterwards, here early human made the tools he uses that two techniques to make the stone tools. So, first method is there here, stone to stone method, and second method is there here, pressure flaking method. So, we have learned that in previous class. And also we have learnt stone tools from Paleolithic age. In Paleolithic peoples, they are hunter-gatherers, okay? They are hunting the animals, they are using stones like that tools, okay? And afterwards, also they are using some stones that to cut the meal, to chop the trees and to dig the grounds. They are using Paleolithic humans stone tools. Also they are making weapons also. And we have learnt again in previous class, discovery of fire. The early man discovered the fire when he was rubbing the two flints, this sparking the light. That light falls down and sparks the fires of that dry leaves. Then he was discovered this fire, and this fire he was used by cooking purpose, source of light, and also to warm to him. So many field he was using the fire. So nowadays also we are use, okay, but this fire is discovered by early humans. In previous class also we have learned Mesolithic age or Middle Stone age. So this age, Mesolithic age was started, it begins at 10,000 BCE. 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. In this age, the early humans are making tools that so developed in their methods that they are sharpening means like this, like the top part is very sharpened, pointed, like that, pointed. So this like tools the early humans are made here. Some sharpened tools when he was made, so that tools called that microliths. That tools called that what? Microliths. And some archaeologists found here Mesolithic sites, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Chota Nagpur plateau and the Krishna. The archaeologists found here Mesolithic age sites here. Okay, here till completed in previous class. And today's class is there here Neolithic age. See a student, Neolithic age or New Stone age. New Stone age. Okay students, Neolithic age or New Stone Age, it began at 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. In this age, the early humans settled their life. The early humans settled their life. Okay? And also he was started agriculture. And he was settled in the bank of rivers. And they started agriculture. We have seen here, also we have learnt here, Paleolithic age and Mesolithic age. They are hunter-gatherers, they are making stone tools, weapons, but in the Neolithic age, okay, in this period, 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE, the peoples are, early men are here developed. Early men are here developed and they started agriculture. They also settled their life. Okay, students, understood? Okay. And see here, in Neolithic age, so domesticated some animals. They domesticating the animals here. Like that, dog, camel, okay, buffalo, cow, goat, sheep. These all animal he was domesticating here. Domesticated here. Because these all animals give to us milk. Give to him that milk. So these animals domesticate the New Stone Age, otherwise Neolithic age peoples. Okay, students. So next one is Stone Age art. See here, students. Stone Age art. Some archaeologists found here some caves art. We know that early humans living in caves and treetops. When he was living in caves, he painted, he draw the pictures, he draw the drawings and he painted the pictures in there. And afterwards, the archaeologist found the cave paintings. The cave paintings. See here, one example is there here, Bhimbetka cave. Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh in the 1958, he was Indian archaeologist Dr. V.S. Bakankar. Dr. V.S. Bakankar. He was the Indian archaeologist. He was found Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh. He was found a Stone Age art. Means early people they did the art in caves. He was found in India, Bhimbetka cave. Okay. See here, these paintings are very beautiful paintings that. Okay. He painted there some, means in early man's he was painted, means he was drawing, afterwards he was painted, no. So he was using natural colors. When he was using natural colors. We know that types of stones. All stones are not equal in color, not same in color. When you take stone, so you collected some stone, afterwards you rub on the wall. Some colors are coming, change color. Some yellowish color, some reddish color, some brown color, some black color. So this like we get from colors that natural. So in early man's that painting the picture, he was used their natural colors, and he was used their reddish and brownish color, and he was draw some pictures of animals like lion, buffalo, camel, ox, okay, tiger. This like so many pictures he can draw in that caves. So it is about Stone Age art. Understood, student? Here completed your chapter number 2, the earliest societies. So here all completed chapter number 2. But once again I am repeating this whole chapter. What you have learnt in whole chapter. So you know, students, ancestors of human beings. You have learnt about ancestors of human beings. Ancestors means what? Purvajaru. In Kannada we are telling that Purvajaru. Prachina kaladalli. Okay. So these human beings are means Purvajaru. So the earth was formed 4600 million years ago. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಉದಯವಾಯಿತು? ಸೊ 4600 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಉದಯವಾಯಿತು. And afterwards, in the life of in that earth, we have seen here 3500 years ago. ಅಂದರೆ 3500 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. Means here some limited plants and animals some appeared on the earth. ಅಂದರೆ 3500 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ಜೀವನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ some limited some plants and animals we have seen there. And afterwards slowly the early man appeared there. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಆದಿ ಮಾನವ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ. So that period we call that early Pleistocene period or Pleistocene period ಅಂತಾರೆ. Pleistocene, early Pleistocene. Pleistocene ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊ ಮೊದಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಅವಧಿಗೆ ನಾವು Pleistocene ಅವಧಿ ಎಂದು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So next also you have learnt about, you know that when he was seen here, means appeared on earth, we call that hominids. Also we have learned that Homo erectus. Okay, and next you have learnt in this chapter life of the early man and Stone Age, phases of the Stone Age. You have learnt in this chapter 3 phases of Stone Age. So Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Also you have learnt here stone tools of early humans and stone tools of Paleolithic age and stone tools of Mesolithic age, and also you have seen here stone tools of Neolithic age, and also here discovered the fire. Okay, and also you have learnt Stone Age art. These all topics you have learnt. Chapter number 2, the earliest societies. Here completed yours chapter number 2. And next topic I am continuing in next session. Thank you.